Sharpness. Caps control.
What is up, guys? So pretty much another episode of the 1J S15. So we have the SR here just sort of doing its own thing. We got Ruben's J still chilling there. Got my 1J sort of looking a bit better, but I'll probably be cleaning it up a lot more. Don't forget we have the giveaway product over there, the Raceworks catch can. Today I'm pretty much going to be doing a DIY spray your engine bay. I'll just put on a time lapse and yeah, get it done.
Sharpness. Caps control.
I just finished spraying the engine bay. Came out alright. I'm pretty happy with it. Ruben doesn't like it.
I do like it. Just looks like it's been in the oven for too long.
So we'll take another moment as well to let you guys know that there is a Raceworks catch can up for giveaway.
Again, we're small right now. There was 8 people in the last draw. So if you want to get your hands on this, every video you comment on, not every comment, every video gets you 1 entry, and you need to be subbed as well. So we're currently doing another potential sponsorship, which will get us some good stuff to give away to you guys. Probably something consistent as well, so make sure you stay tuned.
And a lot more J stuff happening as well now.
So engine side of things is pretty much done. I need a turbo manifold still, and then just everything to make it work in the car. So I'll probably be doing all that once I get back from Japan. Another drift car.
Boy, how come my mic keeps getting drained so quickly? So pretty much we're heading to one of our friends' houses because we have friends. Anyway, he has a 1.5J, so we don't believe him. So we're gonna go have a look at it ourselves. Not quite sure if it's running. We'll go have a suss.
Oh, of course.
We heard there's a modified vehicle on this premises.
Where is he? I'm gonna smack him.
Went to the wrong address. Is he picking the lock?
Get your hand off it.
Tracy Grimshaw from A Current Affair.
Disgusting.
I cannot work in these conditions.
It's my daily. Bit rough, and that's why I don't feel bad mistreating it, so.
What size wastegate do you have?
It's only a little baby, like 44mm. It's got a little 8-pound spring in it, so I end up getting stuck to 20 PSI.
So what's it make now?
20 PSI made 770. So it's a 1.5J, it's a 2J bottom end, the 1J head. So I've just got 2J like crank, yeah, new pistons, rods, 2J cams, 2J valves, got it all machined and done, CNC ported.
Yeah, because I had a look at the 1J ports. They are so much smaller than 2J.
Yeah.
So I don't know why people insist that 1J is better for power.
I think it's
Unless
just because they rev higher. It's honestly.
Yeah, but that's only because the bottom end's 2.5. It's actually the bottom end that limits that.
So, like with the 2J, it's 8.5.1. If you have the 1J head on the 2J, it pumps it to like an 8.9 to 9.1. Because I've got forged pistons and rods and that, they're 87mm, and then they were 9.0.1 compression, so it bumped it up to 1024 to 1 compression. They're 2,200cc injectors, Bosch injectors, FPR 2000. I've got two 525 wall rows in the back, and then like in the fuel tank, and then I have a 3.5 litre surge tank, and then another two 525 wall rows.
Dash 8 feed.
Yeah, the other thing that I'm limited at the moment is my turbo. So even though my wastegate got stuck on 20 PSI because it's only an 8-pound spring, my turbo also got limited as well. So until I upgrade the turbo and the wastegate spring, I'm stuck at where I'm at. 282 by 286 VVTi cam. They're a 2J cam, but inside the 1JZ head.
So that's still a stock balancer?
No, that's actually an Eagle fluid, I think.
True.
I'd like to go to ATI, but
Yeah, that's what
it
I'm
has
running.
no issue at all. It works the exact same as the ATI, so I just left it. But so far,
The shifter as well, but like it's such a, it's not clunky, but it's like really mechanical response sort of feel. You got snow mode as well.
Oh no, I ripped the ABS
This is
out.
clearly made for Japanese coffees.
Oh, it legit is, It's the
They're
perfect
tiny.
size.
Yeah,
Put
and
the size
one
mark.
on the back as well, just behind you. You get the full dash, but
What ECU are you running?
I'll take a lead to it.
Oh yeah.
Car getting split.
So you see there's two...